In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find API key in Datadog. By the end, you'll know exactly where to navigate and what to click, so you can quickly access the key you need for agents, CI jobs, or custom scripts. Start by opening Datadog in your browser and signing into the account and region your team uses. The interface can vary a bit by site, but the overall layout is consistent. Make sure you're in the right organization if you have access to more than one, and confirm you have permissions to view integration settings, since API access is typically controlled by role. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and select Integrations. If the sidebar is collapsed, expand it or use the search at the top to find integrations. This opens the integrations catalog, where Datadog centralizes official and community integrations, as well as core platform entries you'll use to configure access. In the catalog, search for API and open the API entry. This is the one you'll use when you need programmatic access. Opening it takes you to the integrations details page, which includes documentation, configuration, and any key-related settings exposed through the integration. If you see multiple results, choose the API item specifically tied to platform access. From here, click Install. Installing enables the integration in your account and reveals its configuration panel. After it's installed, you'll see the sections you need to view or manage your API-related settings. If you don't see an install button, it likely means it's already enabled, in which case the configuration panel is available immediately. Either way, this is the place to retrieve the API key you'll use when connecting tools to Datadog. A quick bit of context to help you work safely and effectively. Datadog uses API keys to authenticate data ingestion from agents and services, while application keys are used for API requests that read or modify configuration. Keep those two concepts separate to avoid permission issues. Within the integration page, you may also notice tabs for Overview, Configuration, or Installed integrations. If they appear, the configuration area is where the key details live. A few best practices while you're here. Treat your API key like a secret. Don't paste it into public channels, screenshots, or commit history. Copy it directly into your deployment system or a secure secrets manager, and rotate it if you believe it may have been exposed. If your team separates environments, double-check that you're using the correct key for development, staging, or production to keep data properly segmented. And that's it. Open Datadog, head to Integrations, choose the API entry, and click Install to reveal the configuration that contains your API key. With the key safely stored, you're ready to connect your services and start sending data to Datadog with confidence.